Welcome to a game-changing chapter in Audi's journey toward electrification. The Audi FAW NEV Company, a strategic partnership between Audi and FAW, has officially commenced production of its all-electric models at an ultra-modern plant in Changchun, China. This cutting-edge facility is the first in China dedicated exclusively to producing fully electric Audi models on the premium platform electric, known as the PPE. It's here that Audi's Q6L e-tron and Q6L Sportback e-tron are taking shape. Tailored specifically for the Chinese market, these models feature an extended wheelbase, innovative design elements, and a fully immersive digital interior experience. Next up, a market-specific version of the Audi A6 e-tron. Note Döllner, CEO of Audi AG, emphasizes the importance of this facility, stating, "These models will play a crucial role in strengthening our position in this key market." With plans to produce over 150,000 vehicles annually, the site integrates state-of-the-art production and eco-friendly practices. Sustainability is at the forefront, with net carbon-neutral production planned from day one. Green energy, efficient waste management, and biodiversity-focused landscaping make this plant a model for eco-conscious manufacturing. The plant also boasts advanced technologies like digital twinning, 800 robots for precision manufacturing, driverless logistics, and potential use of humanoid robotics. With its innovative approach and commitment to the Chinese market, Audi FAW NEV Company is driving the future of electric mobility in China. Stay tuned for more updates as Audi continues its electrification journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights.